there is a new BECE timetable out again. If you say in Kramofo biggest festival, Idel Ladder, any Idel Fitr Nabushia, it affects the days of the BECE. Internet GES Ghana Education Service. Omodi a year timetable for aside the Betudra. Then the Dikaya, let's also over plus sign so on TikTok. Now if you watch share and so my candidate to be a winimono, said the Baya on so bit Mahuni Cosway, Ghana Education Service. I saw ye. Made the Medobo and seminar in Namu. Yeah, full video is going to be posted on YouTube, so kindly go to YouTube and watch the whole video to know when you are starting and when you are ending and the rules and regulations guiding the BECE. Mr. say over to me acquire full video on YouTube. Now let me take you through what GES is talking about over here. I say all regional directors of education, GES, basic education certificate examination, BECE for school candidates 2025. Final timetable. And now the West African Examinations Council (WAEC) has released the final timetable of the above mentioned examination. According to WAEC, the decision has become necessary because the tentative date for Eid al-Adha is Saturday, 7th June 2025. Following the Eid al-Fitr holidays, it is envisaged that Monday, 9th June and Tuesday, 10th June could be declared as public holidays. Please find the attached copies of both timetables for school candidates and private candidates for circulation of the Metro, Municipal, District Directors of Education or concerned heads of basic schools. Thank you. And I'm signing off a timetable nankasa aiden atwaso. The West African Examination Council (WAEC) Accra, the Basic Education Certificate Examination for School and Private Candidate 2025, new curriculum, final timetable. Now, let's start with the date. The date starts on Wednesday, 11th June 2025. Some of my previous videos be a say it is starting on 9th. It was supposed to start on 9th. And I'm going to call 10th. Now, today, the Abba Bontiano, so 11th June 2025. Into Osha, I say 11th June 2025. That is on Wednesday. The first video I made, it was supposed to start on 10th. That is on Tuesday. You see, about 11th. That is on Wednesday. Now, the first paper, you guys are going to write Social Studies 2. That is the essay. And it lasts for 1 hour. And it starts 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. That is 1 hour. And after once I so Social Studies 1, that is the objective, 45 minutes, 10 a.m. to 10:45. And same Wednesday, 11th June, now you still have computing essay to write. That is 1 hour 15 minutes. And so to me, it lasted for 1 hour 15 minutes. And so I'm starting on 1 p.m. to 2:15. And computing objectives, that is paper 1. And also it might last for 45 minutes, and it starts 2:15 to 3 o'clock a.m. p.m. And on Thursday, you guys are writing English essay. That is paper 2, 1 hour 10 minutes. It starts 9 a.m. to 10:10. And you are still going to write English language. That is paper 1, objective 50 minutes, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. And also on Thursday, you still have to write career technology, that is essay, and also 1 hour 15 minutes, and also started on the 1 p.m. to 2:15, and career technology now being objectives 50 minutes, 2:15 to 3:05 p.m. And Friday you have science paper 2 essay, and also 1 hour 25 minutes. It starts 9 a.m. to 10:25, sorry. And you still have science objectives, that is paper 1, 45 minutes, 10:25 to 11 a.m. And on Friday. And on Friday now, some Ghanaian language, and also paper 1 is and so it me I lasted for 1 hour 10 minutes, 1 p.m. to 2:10. And Ghanaian language objective, and also 50 minutes, 2:10 to 3 o'clock, and also Monday you have mathematics paper 2 essay 1 hour, and so 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and after mathematics objective, and so 1 hour 10 a.m. to 11 o'clock a.m. Now what's about religious and moral education? That is the second paper you guys are going to write. That is essay paper 2, 1 hour 1 p.m. to 2:15 p.m. and religious and moral education paper 2. That is the paper 1 objectives, and also 45 minutes, 2 p.m. to 2:45. na afi oba Tuesday schools na mo French no mo be French essay 45 minutes 9 a.m. to 9:45. na afi French objective 1 hour nso 9:45 to 10:45. na afi more about the second paper, that is creative art and design paper 2 essay, and also 1 hour 15 minutes 1 p.m. to 2:15. na wasamba creative art and design objectives, that is 50 minutes and is going to start 2:15 p.m. to 5 p.m. na Wednesday na bio mo amoy Arabic no and so mo be Arabic essay 1 hour 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. na wasamba Arabic objective 45 minutes 10 a.m. to 10:45, and that is what is out. And also note, both papers for each subject are to be taken one sitting without break. Until say what anasia e dey be able to until where objectives and the essay na nyese be able to essay na wi no waso da ko na internet and was able to objectives no enye te say the e can say what's for any money this you are going to write it on one sitting. And any of your difference in timetable and question paper and timetable. Into your question paper, no so time there was on any number you so the time I'm reading or haribiano. It must some question paper no so until the question paper no so number you so put that in mind. And extra time for visually and hearing impaired candidates or more or money near my son chada or more issues woman or more additional time or why yadiba more and also the and why Sunday a year. The West African Examination Council Accra Basic Education Certificate Examination for private candidates, any for private candidates 2025 old curriculum final timetable. Wednesday, that is 11th June 2025, social studies sabepe enebeko. So it's more like the one I read no sa and so etie, but no ebe endi on a year Tuesday because Arabic in home. Arabic in Kahun, that is going to end on a Tuesday 17th June, but the new curriculum no is going to end on a Wednesday. It starts on Wednesday and it ends on Wednesday because Arabic and French and Kahun a Wednesday. So this is the new timetable. GES made it somewhere Kama Studio. So if this is your first time, click on the bell. Don't forget to subscribe to this platform on YouTube for any other educational videos are posting on Sonsabit. We give you guidance in anything concerning BECE and WASI and your teacher training and your university or nursing training, whatever. If it's concerned about education, just follow this page, and entertainment too, follow this page, sports and whatever we provide on this platform. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. Thanks for watching me today. I'm out.